Welcome to this video exploring the material science behind smartphone screen durability. We will examine the differences between Ceramic Shield and Gorilla Glass Victus to understand what makes our device screens so tough. In early 2007, the first prototype smartphones featured plastic screens that scratched easily in pockets. This led Steve Jobs to request that Corning develop a thin, tough glass solution for future mobile devices. The development of Gorilla Glass began as early as 1960 with Project Muscle. Corning later revived the project for consumer electronics in 2005, leading to the official launch of Gorilla Glass in 2008. The strength of this glass comes from an ion exchange process. Glass is immersed in a 400-degree molten salt bath, where smaller sodium ions are replaced by larger potassium ions, creating compressive stress that strengthens the material. In 2020, Apple introduced Ceramic Shield, co-developed with Corning. This technology infuses ceramic nanocrystals into the glass matrix using heat, creating an interlocked structure that helps deflect surface cracks. Gorilla Glass Victus is the modern standard for premium Android devices. It utilizes a deeper ion exchange process to survive drops of up to 2 meters onto rough concrete, balancing both drop and scratch resistance. On the MOA's scale of mineral hardness, both technologies begin to show micro-abrasions at level 6 and deeper grooves at level 7. This confirms that even advanced glasses are not immune to sand or keys. This comparison matrix highlights how different material sciences solve the same problem. Ceramic Shield focuses on face-first drops, while Gorilla Glass Victus offers a balance for both drops and surface scuffs. The evolution continues with Corning's recent launch of Gorilla Armor. This new material brings glass ceramic technology to Android, surviving drops from over 2 meters and reducing screen reflections by 75%. The final verdict is that no single glass wins every metric. Choose Ceramic Shield if you are prone to dropping your device, or Gorilla Glass Victus if your primary concern is daily surface wear. In summary, modern material science transforms fragile glass into structural armor. However, manufacturers must still trade off scratch resistance for shatter resistance, so a screen protector is recommended for total defense.